Welcome to my unboxing video of the Fantech K3M Multimedia mini keyboard. Multimedia funk, numeric funk, slim design, plug and play. I'm pretty sure funk stands for function. Windows 8 supported. Nice view of the keyboard from a top-down perspective. We got multimedia mini keyboard. Fantech at the bottom, another perspective of the keyboard. Got a QR code. Windows 8 supported, compatible Windows 7. A Mac logo, and then we got stuff here which is unfortunately covered by Mr.DIY, distributed by Mr.DIY sticker. This is the ENUS layout, and on the side it says absolutely nothing but basically the same thing, Fantech and Fantech, and then up here you got the symbols. There you go. Okay, so this is the keyboard itself. It looks like a lot like a laptop keyboard. It has the FN key with the lock thing. Fantech logo is printed on spacebar. Very little key travels, but I love it. A bit of keycap wobble, but it's okay. It's very flat, so no indentation. Full size arrow keys, compact shift button. Backspace is pretty shrunk, but it's okay. Page up, page down, and home. Got your standard display there. And then for your FN key, you got F11 for F1. Very weird because there is actually a dedicated F11 and F12 key there. Media play, backtrack, next pause, sorry, play and pause, next track, mute, volume down, volume up, and scroll lock, I presume. Scroll lock, as you can see. And then cap lock is that. So there you go. Cap lock, stump lock, and standard. That works perfectly fine. So if you are on a numlock mode, basically all these become dedicated number keys. These are not going to act as J, K, L, U, I, O, M keys. These are just going to be the box standard things. So I will most likely just disable this. If I'm not mistaken, I bought this keyboard because Dell had a keyboard called the KB216, and this is a very similar keyboard in my opinion. Just like